everybody. I thought we mentioned this in class, but there were a few people that still missed it on the assignment. So I thought I would put up a video and just show everybody, and that way you can have it for reference. We're talking about justified aligned. So there are a number of different types of ways to align your paragraphs in Word. And you've used several of them. So this is align left, and that makes a nice, even alignment on the left-hand side of your document. Okay. This one's align right. That's done for various reasons, most of them legal. But this makes a nice alignment on the right margin. Right? Here's center. Right? We use that a lot, so we can center stuff. And then here's one that you just many people have not used very much, which is called justify. It's an old way of using the word justify, and it means to distribute evenly. So this in Word creates, when you click on it, you highlight your paragraph, right? And if you had it aligned left, you click on it and it separates your words just a little bit so that you have even margins on both sides. Many different publications in anthropology actually call for justified, and it's something that I want you to do on everything that you turn in this course. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to email me.